Hey, I'm back. I got a bonus material item here for you. I promised you guys I'd show you some things about these stow and go seats, okay? Let me show you how these operate. They're pretty easy, they really are. If the old guy can do it, you can too. So let's take a look. Just this seat right here, when you get down, ready to get it down into the stow and go. Did you see this stow and go yet? No, I don't think I showed it to you. Oh, I forgot something, see? See, the old guy messed up too. I forget things. With the power seat on the new Chrysler Pacifica, it has a button on the side of this post right here. You press this button. See this? Now look at this. The front seat's going up all by itself. You don't have to sit there and hold that button like you used to. But that button's right there. See it? Isn't that awesome? Here's what this stow and go seat looks like. It's a huge cavity on each side. You can put things down in here. You could, if you was stowing stuff like baked beans or something sloshy, like maybe an apple pie, instead of putting it on the floor out in the back, you could store it down here and it'd be safe. So that's it. So I'd have to show you on the other side here. But all you gotta do, there's one handle. One handle! It says stow and go on it. You can't miss it. Watch this. We're ready? 1, 2, 3, go. Oh, I'm not that fast. Be like a chiropractor. Push down on it. Put the other side down like this and click it down. Press the button. What do you think of that? Isn't that wonderful? And then you say, okay, kids, see you later. Press this button right here, closes the door, and we say bye to each other, okay? Watch it, it'll close down on you. See ya. But it's got a safety device on that too.